which will make me have wrinkles earlier than my age. That was one thing I realized. Damn! Hello there, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about fashion, lifestyle, relationship, and DIY and motivation. Today we are, as the topic said, I'm going to be telling you more about shea butter. I used shea butter for a week and my skin was amazing. So before I get right to the video, I want to thank everyone who just joined the SJS family. Thank you for joining. Thank you all for being part of the SJS vlog journey. So shea butter contains a lot of vitamins, which is good for the body. And some of the benefits of shea butter is for moisturizing. It contains antibacterials. It also helps prevent acne. It is also good for all skin types because it has 2 types of acid, which I've actually forgotten the 2 names of the types of acid, and they help balance each other and they helps protect your skin, and it also helps with oily skin. Initially I was thinking that before I went into this video, I was thinking I really have an oily skin. If you really know me very well, you know that I have an oily face but I don't have a dry skin. So I was actually adamant on using the shea butter, but I used it. The result was amazing. I realized my face has been smooth of late. I've showed you guys a whole lot of facial routines that I use. I've been using ACV, which is apple cider vinegar. I've also been using ice cubes, and I also tried on shea butter to see how it will work best on my face. So let's get right into today's video. Hello there guys, today is day 1 of using shea butter on my face. So I want to use shea butter on my face for a week and see the transformation on my face. I'm done bathing. I haven't added anything on my face, so let's see how this is. So my shea butter is already in its liquid state. So most of the times you get it a stony form, but mine has already been melted. Let's get right to it. So I love the way the shea butter is. It feels a bit waxy. Yeah. I don't want it to touch my hair. I already have an oily skin and I'm trying to see if this shea butter would make any difference. So one thing about this shea butter is it doesn't really clot pores. And yeah, this is how I look. So I'll update you guys in some hours to see how my face still looks. Hello the family. Stay your girl SHEJACKIE says, your hostess to the misters, and today we are still on day 2 on using the shea butter on my face. And of course, sorry I couldn't update you guys yesterday. As I said, I'd update you guys 2 hours later. I couldn't. I totally forget. So this is my face. Yesterday I realized I wasn't sweating that much, but I realized my face was much oily some few hours later. My shea butter here in its liquid state, and I don't really want it to touch. This is my face after using the shea butter on my face. This is day 2. I know most of you know me to use the baby oil to moisturize my face most often, but here is the truth. The baby oil is quite different from the shea butter, as in the way I apply it on my face. It feels a bit waxy. It makes my hands feels a little bit thick. So let's see what happens in the following days. Hello there guys, today is day 3 of using the shea butter on my face. I couldn't update you guys today, so this is how my face is looking after 2 days of using shea butter. And I realized my skin has been much more oily than it was before. I hope it just exfoliates into the skin, and I learned it makes your skin really smooth. It makes it really bright, and it tones your skin to its natural color. And I am dark, so probably hoping to have a nice tone, dark color. So thank you guys for watching today's video. We move on to day 4. that's tomorrow of using the shea butter on my face. It's day 4 of using the shea butter on my face, and I woke up today with a pimple here, and it hurts that bad. I'm done bathing, we rush over there, and I realized, so just a piece of advice, if you really want a oily skin, I think shea butter is for you. But for those of us who already have an oily skin, shea butter isn't that much of a good product for us, because our skin is already oily. It produces a whole lot of oil. So I have my shea butter here at Blessito. So I realized that this shea butter stretches my skin a lot, and it's not like baby oil, which is quite lighter. This is a bit thick, so you realize I had to just massage my face a lot more before I get the shea butter on my face. This is with no makeup, so hopefully maybe I'll try my face with makeup on, with shea butter, and have makeup on, and see how it looks like. I'll update you guys in a few hours later to see how my skin is looking after I apply shea butter on my face. Ta-da! Hello guys, so this is an hourly update of how my face looks like after 2 hours of using the shea butter on my face. And I sort of applied a bit of makeup on my face. No makeup, like not my whole full face, but I just applied a pencil liner. I applied a bit of primer on my face, and this is how my face looks. So as I said, if you have an oily face just like mine, you wouldn't want to force yourself to have that dowly look, because you already have that, because your face is already oily. Should I say oily face or whatever? So guys, I would update you guys tomorrow, show you some pictures of how my face looked like. Hello there guys. So today is day 5 of using the shea butter on my face. The changes I've been experiencing on my face, haven't had much acne over the past few days. Face has been absolutely smooth. Very soft on the face. So guys, there isn't much to talk about today. Still day 5, face still smooth. So I'm update you guys on what happened. And as you guys saw the last time, using makeup on shea butter I absolutely didn't like it. So I don't know, those of you who want to try it, you could, but it's a no-go area for me, because I already have an oily face. So applying shea butter, which has fatty oil in it, on my face, it makes it somewhat guys. Hello there guys, so today is day 7 of using the shea butter on my face, and so far so good. I've loved the experience. No acne, no pimples, no rashes on my face. It's been amazing. And most of you want what my take on this, if I would advise it or not. Over 10, I would rate it out of 9. So as I was saying, I rate this 9 out of 10 because I don't like the way it feels on my face when I do makeup. As in, when I have shea butter on my face and I apply makeup to it, I don't really love the feel of it. And secondly, because my face is a bit oily, so too much excess oil in there adding on top of my face, it feels packed on my face. And apart from that, I think it's the best. And apart from the little that it just gets into my baby hair, I would recommend shea butter for everyone out there who really wants to get rid of acne, pimples, anything that will be affecting your face. I think shea butter is the best because it comes from naturally made content, especially with the one that I use. So guys, this is day 7 of using shea butter on my face. I hope you liked it, and let's get back into the video. So as you can see, that is the end of the video, and thank you guys for being part of the video. And you all know how shea butter has been good to me, so I wouldn't really there's one thing I want to tell you guys. I wouldn't really advise shea butter that you use on your face before you do makeup, because it gets sticky, and I realized that it was a bit waxy on my face, which is going to stretch my face, which will make me have wrinkles earlier than my age. That was one thing I realized. So probably that is my skin, so I don't know what you guys experience. You can leave your comments below in the comment section box, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you found what you were looking for. and still your girl SHEJACKIE says, your hostess with the mostest, and I am